Video 6, August 4, 2025, Monday.
All aboard! Whoever has a ticket, if you could have it in front, I'll give you a punch to get it out of the way. Absolutely. All right. No, not for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Go ahead, back to the combine car. I call it the caboose. This is the unknown caboose. Video 6.
This one?
Girls.
Right here?
Does it have its windows?
Oh, tanta rosa. I'm not working very much. Let's go, girl.
You know, I used to prepare a week in advance, you know.
Hello, guys. Five to 2. We should leave around 5 minutes, maybe 10. This is my third trip up here this year. Nope, I didn't eat today. I won. I won the battle. But John's going to treat me at the boardwalk. I think he's going to treat me to a corn dog or something. I don't know. At least I ain't buying it. There goes the Dixiana right across from us, heading up to Bear Mountain. Oh, the complete walking was 0.85 tenths of a mile from 43 when we left that trestle that we videoed. So it's not a very big path, but it is nice. But it ain't that long. It's not even a half a mile. It's only 38 tenths of a mile, but minus 14 of that from the beginning of it down here to the bathrooms. But it's better than nothing. They need to have that go all the way to Santa Cruz. Well, I better set my phone so we can record the miles back to the boardwalk on my phone. So we better do that before they leave. Go to the phone settings, unlock my screen, go to the apps, there's the walking. That was the walking that we just did. So we got 2 walks in already. 0.84 tenths of a mile round trip. Average 2.1 miles per hour. Calories 91. 77 feet. Average pace 27.37. Steps 2,231. Yeah, there. Now we got to set it for the bike thing for this. So go to bike. Set this. I'm going to set this for 10 miles just to make it sure. Check mark. Okay, we're set. All we need to do is press start right there when we're ready to go. Hope you're doing all right, Frank. I haven't seen you for, gosh, way over a month. It says June 15th. I wonder if you don't come into Santa Cruz much anymore. Probably you don't like the traffic. I don't know. Yeah, I think this is video 6. We're going to have to cut this one off in about 3 minutes. Two people running for the train.